Hi there, folks, and welcome to this week's Workspace Wednesday right here on Lean Strategies International, LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power. Now, before we get started with this week's tip for Google Workspace, I'd like to ask you to hit the subscribe button so that you can get videos every week on both supply chain and operations. And if you love Google Workspace, on Wednesdays, you'll get those videos with tips and tricks that you can use inside of Google Workspace. This week, we're going to be inside of Google Slides, answering a question from a teacher who would like to know, how do I remove the background of an image and place it inside of Google Slides? So let's get started. Now you'll see right behind me here, we have the slides for our latest upcoming course on pull systems on Lean Strategies International, LLC. And we'd like to stick a crystal ball inside of this slide on forecasting demand, right? Because we're forecasting demand. So let's go ahead and grab the image we've downloaded. We already have our crystal ball, but the problem that you're going to see here is that our crystal ball has a solid background. So when we blow it up, it covers up things that are behind it. And we don't want that. We want to be able to see everything, but we still want our crystal ball in there. So I'm going to take you to an external website that we use. It's called RemoveBG or Remove Background. And this video is not sponsored by RemoveBG, but they're a wonderful site. And if you'd like to remove backgrounds and images, please check them out or give them a shot. And what you're going to do is when you've downloaded the image that has the background you want to remove, you'll go ahead and just click on Upload Image. We're going to select our crystal ball. It'll automatically load it up there and it'll convert it to a PNG. Now you can download the normal sized one or the preview image as it's described here. And if you want to download the high definition one, then you've got to join their website. Again, we're not sponsored by them. They're a great company. We love using them. But for this case, if you'd like to download an image with no background, you just click on the download. It's totally free. It'll download it, and that'll go to your desktop or wherever you save files to. Then we can go back to our Google Slides, go up to Insert, Image, Upload from Computer, and we're going to select that PNG that it's removed the background on. Now, if we blow this thing up, you can see that our crystal ball has no background. So if we want to format it and drop a shadow to it, then we get this beautiful thing. And that's how you remove a background on Google Slide or on a picture to put in Google Slides. We'll see you next week right here on Lean Strategies International, LLC, where you can find solutions that ignite your power.